Right now, you are going to do the single most dangerous thing in the universe. You are going to fall into a black hole. Not a quick death, an experience. And what happens to you on the way down breaks almost every rule you think you know about reality. So take a breath. Let's fall. First, what you're falling into. A black hole isn't an object floating in space. It's a place where gravity became so strong that space itself broke. So much mass, crushed into a single point, that not even light, the fastest thing that exists, can escape it. Once you cross the edge, there is no coming back. Not ever. And they come in staggering sizes. The one you're falling into might be small, but the largest we have ever found, called TON 618, is over 66 billion times the mass of our sun. A single object, as heavy as a small galaxy of stars. As you fall, you accelerate, faster and faster, until you are moving at a huge fraction of the speed of light. And ahead of you, the black hole isn't truly black. It is wrapped in a blinding ring of superheated gas, glowing brighter and hotter than the surface of a star. Now, something impossible happens. To anyone watching you from a safe distance, your fall begins to slow down. Because this close to a black hole, time itself runs slower. From their eyes, you freeze at the edge, glowing red, then fading, and they will never, ever see you fall in. But from your point of view, you drop straight through. This is the point of no return, the event horizon. And here is the strangest part. If the black hole is big enough, crossing it feels like nothing at all. No wall, no barrier. 1 second you are outside, the next you are inside, and you might not even notice. But the entire universe behind you has just disappeared. Now, gravity starts to win. It pulls on your feet far harder than your head, and it stretches you. Longer and thinner, like a single strand of spaghetti. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. Near a smaller black hole, this would have shredded you long ago. And then, the very center, the singularity, a point where everything we understand simply collapses. Every equation we have falls apart. Infinite density, zero size. And the honest truth is, nobody knows what is really there. Maybe the end of everything. Maybe a door to somewhere else. Here is what should keep you up at night. Everything that ever fell in, all of its information, appears to just vanish. And the laws of physics say that is impossible. This single paradox might be hiding the key to a deeper theory of reality, one that we still haven't found. And here is a final, quiet twist. Black holes are not truly forever. Unbelievably slowly, they leak away tiny amounts of energy and shrink. Until, after a stretch of time so vast it makes the whole age of the universe look like a single heartbeat, even they fade away into nothing. So that is your journey. Stretched, frozen, erased, and finally lost inside a mystery we cannot solve. Black holes aren't just the scariest things in the universe. They are proof that reality is stranger and deeper than anything we have ever imagined. And they are out there right now, silently reshaping the cosmos. If this broke your brain in the best possible way, tell me the part that got you. I read every single comment. Thanks for falling with me.